They say coffee dehydrates you, that it's bad for your stomach, that you should never drink it on an empty stomach. And maybe because of those warnings, many people over 60 have started to question their favorite morning ritual. Some even ask, should I stop drinking coffee? Do I need to give up the one thing that helps me feel awake, clear, and ready to start my day? But here's something very few people, including doctors, ever tell older adults. Your daily cup of coffee, if upgraded the right way, can become one of the most powerful tools to protect your muscles, fight tired legs, and even slow down sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that steals strength from millions of seniors every year. Even celebrities like Jennifer Aniston, now in her 50s, swear by adding specific ingredients like collagen and cinnamon to their morning coffee, not just for beauty, but for energy, joint support, and stronger muscles. If it helps her stay fit and active, imagine what it could do for someone over 60. Coffee isn't your enemy. It's a foundation, a ritual of calm that can be turned into something deeply healing. In this video, we'll explore exactly what to add to your coffee to make it a drink that strengthens your muscles, reduces inflammation, boosts focus, and helps you age powerfully, all backed by real science. So grab your favorite mug, because one small change in your morning routine could decide how strong you'll still be walking 10 years from now. Upgrade number 1. Add MCT oil. This one simple tweak can turn your coffee into a metabolism-boosting, muscle-protecting powerhouse. Add pure MCT oil, medium-chain triglycerides, to your morning brew. British actress Gemma Atkinson, in her 40s, swears by this habit to keep her body strong and energized. She blends a teaspoon of MCT oil into her morning coffee to support workouts, balance hormones, and maintain clean energy throughout the day. For adults over 60, MCT oil works like rocket fuel for tired muscles. It's instantly converted by your liver into ketones, a clean energy source that powers both your brain and muscle cells. After 60, when your body becomes slower at turning sugar into energy, MCTs help fill the gap, keeping your muscles active instead of fatigued. A 2020 study in Aging Cell found that MCT oil improved mitochondrial function in older adults, helping to slow muscle degeneration. It also improved insulin sensitivity, another key factor for fighting muscle loss and fatigue. Here's how to use it. After brewing your coffee, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure MCT oil while it's still hot. Blend with a milk frother for a smooth texture. If you're new to it, start with half a teaspoon for the first few days. Within a week, you'll notice steadier energy, sharper focus, and less morning stiffness, all from a simple teaspoon of oil in your daily cup. Upgrade number 2. Add hydrolyzed collagen. Forget expensive powders or gimmicks. Collagen peptides are one of the best ways to rebuild strength and mobility after 60 even. Jennifer Aniston has shared how collagen changed her mornings. She mixes a scoop into her coffee every day to support her joints, skin, and muscle recovery. Here's why it works so well. Collagen makes up over 30% of your body's total protein, forming the foundation of muscles, tendons, and connective tissue. But as you age, collagen production slows dramatically. That's when stiffness, soreness, and slow recovery start to appear. Hydrolyzed collagen is pre-broken down into small amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which your body can absorb quickly and use to repair tissue. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors who took collagen daily and exercised gained more lean muscle mass than those who exercised without it. To use it, add 1 scoop around 10 mg of hydrolyzed collagen to your hot coffee. It dissolves instantly, has no flavor, and doesn't change your coffee's taste. For extra flavor and benefit, add a little cinnamon or almond milk. Choose high-quality collagen, free from artificial sweeteners or fillers. With daily use, you'll start to notice better joint mobility, faster recovery, and smoother movement within 6 to 8 weeks. This isn't a trend. It's nourishment your muscles have been craving for years. Upgrade number 3. Add cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a spice. It's one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. As we age, blood flow to the muscles and brain often decreases, making it harder to recover from even mild activity. But one simple pinch of Ceylon cinnamon in your morning coffee can change that dramatically. According to research published in the Journal of Diabetes Research, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use the nutrients from food more efficiently to rebuild muscle tissue. It also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing soreness and protecting muscle fibers from oxidative stress, something that rapidly increases after 60. Sprinkle just 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into your coffee daily. Not only does it add warmth and aroma, but it also turns your drink into a natural circulation tonic, supporting your muscles, joints, and even your brain. Pro tip: always choose Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, instead of cassia, as it's gentler on the liver and higher in beneficial compounds. Upgrade number 4, add a spoon of nut butter. This trick might sound unusual, but it's backed by both nutrition science and real-world results. Adding a small spoonful of almond butter or peanut butter to your coffee provides healthy fats, plant-based protein, and magnesium, all crucial for muscle contraction and recovery. Many older adults struggle with low calorie and protein intake, which accelerates muscle loss. Nut butter solves both issues in one creamy scoop, giving your coffee a smooth, latte-like texture while helping you stay full longer. Magnesium in nuts also supports nerve function, which is vital for muscle coordination and preventing tremors or weakness. Just make sure your nut butter is natural, with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. Blend your coffee with a teaspoon of nut butter, and you've got a delicious, muscle-nourishing drink that tastes indulgent but works like a supplement. Upgrade number 5, add a dash of cocoa or cacao powder. Cocoa is loaded with flavonoids, compounds that improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to muscles. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that older adults who consumed cocoa flavonoids daily experienced improved walking, speed, and endurance within just 8 weeks. Cocoa also contains magnesium and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and fatigue, 2 major barriers to staying strong after 60. Add half a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa or raw cacao powder to your coffee. It creates a rich, chocolatey taste and gives your morning a natural dopamine boost, keeping your mind sharp and your mood elevated. Your morning muscle-building recipe to turn your regular coffee into a powerful, muscle-protecting brew. Just mix 1 teaspoon MCT oil, 1 scoop hydrolyzed collagen, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nut butter, 1/2 teaspoon cocoa, powder. Blend it all together for 15 seconds, and you'll have a creamy, energy-packed drink that helps rebuild strength, fight inflammation, and slow down sarcopenia naturally. Make it your daily habit, and within weeks you'll feel the difference. Stronger muscles, steadier energy, and a clearer mind. If you're over 60, don't let muscle loss steal your independence or confidence. Your morning coffee can do more for your body than any expensive supplement if you know what to add to it. So try this muscle coffee recipe every day for 2 weeks and see how your strength, mood, and mobility transform. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Golden Life Health, because every week we share natural, science-backed ways to help seniors live stronger, healthier, and happier lives naturally.